Breakfast on the go for people with diabetes isn't always easy, but I'm going to show you how to make over a classic recipe that you probably have all the time, and it's oatmeal. But we're using cauliflower instead of oats. To make this cauliflower oatmeal, we're using 9 ingredients. So we have 1 small head of cauliflower, 1.5 cups of oat milk, 1 tablespoon of flaxseed meal, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 3/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, a pinch of kosher salt, 2 tablespoons of chopped cashews, and 1 cup of fresh fruit. I'm using strawberries and blueberries. I'll start by prepping my head of cauliflower. So what I do here is take off the leaves, and we just make sure to get those off roughly. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'll go ahead and slice the cauliflower. You want to chop it big enough so that it fits into your food processor. I'm actually a really big fan of cauliflower, and I like it for a few reasons. I think that it has a really neutral taste, so you can throw it in a lot of stuff, and it has lots of nutrients. I'm gonna grab my food processor, and we'll drop in our cauliflower florets. And we're just going to pulse it. So you don't have to hold down the button because that will make it too watery and too smooth. You just want to pulse it and get it into rice-like pieces. That was about 10 pulses. It looks perfect. It's in perfect size pieces. We're going to transfer 2.25 cups to a saucepan to get started with our cauliflower oatmeal. All right, so putting together our cauliflower oatmeal, I'm starting with 2.25 cups of cauliflower. Cauliflower contains about 60% of your daily vitamin C, and I love that because people think that you can only get vitamin C from citrus and other fruits, but you actually do get vitamin C from vegetables. All right, so now that our cauliflower is in, I'll shake my pan to get it into an even layer, and then we'll add in all of the rest of our ingredients. So we have 1.5 cups of oat milk. I love making my own oat milk at home, but if you decide to buy it at the store, just look for unflavored and unsweetened oat milk. That's gonna be your best bet. Then I'll add in my ground flaxseed. Flaxseed meal is a good source of fiber, but it also gives this dish that like oat-like texture that you really get with oats. Next we have our sugar, and since we're going the sweet route here and throwing in some sugar, this ends up equaling out to be about 3 servings of carbs. So it ends up working out. It's okay to add sugar. We're balancing it out with some of the other ingredients that we're using, like the cauliflower rather than oats. So totally okay to use regular sugar, but use whatever works for you in this instance. Then we have our 3/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. I feel like cinnamon and oatmeal, it's always a classic combination. And then we have 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and that is just some extra flavor. Then we'll stir it all together and we'll let it simmer for about 5 minutes. And check it out. Super good texture. It looks really thick and creamy. And just letting it simmer for that little bit is going to thicken it up, especially with the flaxseed meal in there. And it's gonna give it really great texture, just like the oatmeal that we're used to. The oatmeal looks thickened, so I'm going to take it over to the island and get it plated so that we can get a little taste of our cauliflower oatmeal. Our cauliflower oatmeal is done and looks absolutely delicious. We're going to scoop these out, divide it in half because this recipe makes enough for 2. So we'll divide it into each of our bowls. And then my favorite part, the decorating. I always love the ability to decorate my foods. So we'll start with the berries. I have strawberries and blueberries here. There's no particular way to do this. I just like to arrange them to make them kind of pretty. So I'll put a few berries in along the side, and then I'll take some of my blueberries and sprinkle them over the top too. Then we'll take our cashews and give them a little sprinkle over the top. And I go wild with these. Like I said, there's no perfect way to do this, but you might as well have fun when you're doing it. Sprinkle it on like a little chef. And there you go. You have your cauliflower oatmeal, and it looks really good, super colorful, and absolutely delicious. I'll admit that a breakfast cereal made from cruciferous vegetables sounds weird and far-fetched, but it's actually really great, and myself and my taste testers loved this recipe. I love that it's warm and cozy. It also has those really great notes of cinnamon and vanilla, and it's a really good alternative to a grain-based bowl. So I like to enjoy mine on the go. I'm gonna take a bite before I start my day, and I hope that you guys enjoy this cauliflower oatmeal as much as I do.